everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am showing you some long shrug designs which are of cotton fabric. These can be made from plain printed kalamkari or brocade fabric. Depends on the outfit you are wearing with it, like kurtis, jeans, skirt top, lehenga or frock. You can pair it with whatever you like to wear. So please watch the video till the end to know various stylish long jacket designs.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.